In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your mood board on Behance. Sharing your creative ideas and inspirations with others is a great way to collaborate, get feedback, and socially engage with your audience, no matter the platform. Let's get started with this simple and straightforward process. First, navigate to your chosen mood board on Behance. This is where your collection of creative pieces resides, and where you might have dedicated some time curating your thoughts and ideas. Once you're in, locate the mood board you want to share. This is your canvas of inspiration that you're about to share with the world. Next, head over to your browser's address bar. This is located at the top of your web browser, and it contains the unique URL or web address specifically pointing to your mood board. You'll want to carefully select and copy that entire URL. It's important to ensure that you capture the entire address, as this is the key to unlocking your mood board for others to see. Now that you have your URL copied, you're ready to share it with others. Decide how you want to distribute this link. Some popular methods include sharing via email, where you can send a direct message to a colleague or friend. Alternatively, you might want to post your link on social media platforms. This method is particularly dynamic, as it allows you to reach a wider audience who can interact with your content almost instantly. Whether it's on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or another social media site, pasting your link here will invite others to engage with your creative work. It's worth noting that when you share this link, anyone with it will be able to view your mood board, assuming that it is set to public. This means they can easily access it without needing any additional permissions. However, if you prefer to keep your mood board more private or exclusive to certain individuals, you might want to double-check its privacy settings before sharing the link. Behance typically offers options that allow you to control who sees your content, so adjust these settings according to your preferences if needed. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to share your mood board on Behance. This process is designed to be seamless, making it easier for you to showcase your visions and brainstorms with others. Sharing your creativity can inspire collaboration and open up a world of new ideas, fueling further creativity and innovation. Enjoy the newfound interactions and insights from engaging with others through your shared mood board. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.